Hello everyone, this is Steve channel, and in this video we will fix speaker not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A72. So before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting your time. So if you are facing speaker not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A72, just follow every single step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue, and if this method doesn't work for you, then maybe there is an issue on your hardware.